You may be watching this probably because you are conceptualizing a research or probably done with your research draft and you are about to submit it to your professor or advisor. Although it doesn't mean you can't watch this if you're just starting to learn how to write research. But this topic is highly suggested if you have at least learned some fundamental knowledge and essential concepts in research. Just to remind you that research proposal is composed of introduction and methodology. Here are 9 reminders in writing or finalizing your research proposal. First, you must remember that your title is still a working title. It might still change depending on the recommendation of your advisor, professor, or panel members, but it doesn't mean you will just write a title that is not well thought out. According to ToolU in 2019, title is one of the initial impression of research. Thus, it should be drafted correctly, accurately, carefully, and meticulously. Your title should be coherent with the direction of your research. While it's still a research proposal, it is safer to make it descriptive. Title can be descriptive, declarative, or interrogative, although some research papers remain to be descriptive even if it reaches full paper because descriptive title or neutral title has an element of research themes but does not reveal an outcome. That's according to Tullio in 2019. This is an example of descriptive research title. Themes here are challenges, capabilities, needs, and it doesn't reveal an outcome. Declarative title states the main finding of the study. Some research proposal titles seems heading on this direction. This is an actual title of a proposal, though no finding yet. It has assumption that social media has an effect on learners' engagement and achievement. Themes or variables in the title are being asked in the statement of the problem. For example, the title of the proposal is Appraising Self-Esteem, Personality Traits, and Academic Anxiety of Freshman Students, Basis for a Developmental Counseling Program. This should be visible in your statement of the problem. Kindly observe the alignment of the title and statement of the problem. Second reminder. In writing your introduction and background of the study, think of an inverted pyramid from global, general, or bigger issues that leads to the conceptualization of the problem, which establishes the rationale, context, and general direction of the study, to the context of the problem, in what situation or environment can it be observed. You have to write from global to local. Observe and scrutinize the discussion here. You could see the discussion in the introductory part is broader. Try to read and understand how it was written. The discussion here become more specific. The discussion of issues now focus on the target locale or setting. Third, reminder. The review of related literature provides an important connection between existing knowledge and the problem being investigated. You should start with introductory paragraph or paragraphs that show what the topic is about, reasons for reviewing the literature which shows the gap, and how this research would fill that gap. The current trend in the presentation of literature review is thematic or topical. A good literature review should also present contrasting views about the topic. Fourth reminder. Please do not be confused with the difference of theoretical framework versus conceptual framework. Try to read and understand to delineate the difference of the two. Fifth reminder. There should be a general statement of the whole problem followed by the specific question or sub-problem into which general problem is broken up. Check this example. Number 6. In a research paper, the methodology section allows the reader to critically evaluate a study's overall validity and reliability. The methodology section answers two main questions. How was data collected or generated? How was it analyzed? Read and try to understand how the proposed research design has been written. Read the example and try to understand how the proposed research design has been written. Number 7. Inferential question and hypothesis. Inferential question is a restatement of a proposed inferential hypothesis as question. That is why there should be coherence with the inferential question and hypothesis. Presented in your screen is an example of statement of the problem. Questions 1 and 2 are descriptive questions. While 3 to 5 are inferential questions. These inferential questions should be coherent with the inferential hypothesis. Number 8. Make sure you use the correct template and format, including technical specification like font style, font size, spacing, margin, and the likes. Of course, the required citation styles. The last reminder, references. Never, ever forget your references citation. Thank you.